All right, so here we have a portable fan from the brand CONBOLA right there. All right, so this fan is about 34 bucks, but right now it's on Amazon for about 10 bucks off with a coupon. And this is the brand name right here, CONBOLA. If you go to Amazon and just search it, I'll also have it linked in the description, and you can jump in and take a look at it. All right, so this thing is charged by Type-C, which is awesome because a lot of some stuff still comes micro USB, which is not terribly helpful for anybody because nobody wants to use that anymore because it's not universal. There's a little charging cable right there. Does not come with a power brick, but it does come with the actual charging cable, which is nice. It's rated for fast charging, although I don't think the cable included is a fast charging cable. So there's the fan itself. Pretty basic. Got a 270-degree pivot on it. I just got to hit the button properly, I think. Let's see. What's the actual? I don't want to pivot. Don't know how. It's causing that tightness. All right. So just there it is. All right. So it looks like we have two options here. We have Type-C to charge, and we also have USB Type 2, which is the big block-shaped one. That's for charging if you want to charge like a cell phone off of this thing. So this thing operates as a power bank as well as a fan, which is nice. I'll get this thing spinning. I'm not sure what's going on with the, just not wanting to do it. Right there. Okay, it's just very tight. All right, so keep that in mind when you're working with this thing. It is a tight kind of clicking rotation, so don't panic. That's as far forward as it goes right there. And then that's the 270 you get on the back end. So it can basically allows you to also hang it because there's a little hook right here. So you can hang, depending on what your needs are, right where it needs to go. But yeah, don't be too shocked. It's not a smooth pivot, which is good because that means it holds its position really well. So sorry about that if that's a little shocking or affects the sound quality of the video. So let's go ahead and turn the light on. There's your little LED light. Nothing too crazy. It's not super bright. I'll see if I can't even brighten it up a little bit. It's not super bright. It'll provide enough light probably to read by at night. That's about it. Obviously, if the light and the fan on, the battery life won't last quite so long. All right, so here we got the fan going. It's probably looks like it's spinning a little bit slow if you were actually watching the video because of the frame rate impact. We'll go ahead and there's level 2. It's very, very quiet. Like my microphone's right next to it. I'll put the mic next to it on each level. And that's full power right there. So pretty quiet. And it puts out a little bit of air. This is really more of a personal fan. I would not, this is not gonna like cool a room or cool like a whole room of people, obviously. This is really meant more for like, hey, it keeps the bugs off of you at like a campground kind of thing. But real fast, we'll just run through the sound up close to my little like lapel microphone here. That way you can kind of hear the differences. All right, so this is obviously off. We're gonna turn it to level 1. That's level 1. That's level 2. That's level 3. And that's maxed out. So that's pretty high. So hopefully you could hear everything I was doing there with all the various levels. But it's very, very quiet. I would say if you were to compare, if you can't really pick it up from the video, the top level is kind of like, imagine you have a computer that's overheating and kind of making a lot of noise with the fans. That would be about as the maximum sound you're dealing with there. Like, and even then, I think that it might be quieter than that. It's really very quiet. It's a brushless fan motor, so it's going to last for a long, long time. The main thing you got to keep in mind is that this thing is only a little 8-inch fan. So you're not talking about a huge amount of air displacement, but for just a personal use kind of situation, it's going to flow the air just fine for your personal use. Now, one thing I will say that I think is probably the most has the best utility. One, you got a little handle up here, which is nice, little handle. But you also have this for hanging. So if you were in like a patio situation or like in a garage, you just have a place where you can hang this functionally. It gives you more versatility, which is kind of nice. It's a little cheap little thing to add that adds a lot of versatility. So yeah, this thing's really nice. as far as how long it lasts. But most fans last for quite a while when they're battery powered, just because this motor doesn't use much power generally. You're going to end up using a lot more if you throw the light on at the same time like this. That's going to cause a lot more power usage, so just keep that in mind. Now, would I advise somebody to get this if they're trying to really cool a large space? No, this is really meant more for personal use. So don't sit there and think this is going to be some kind of panacea that's going to cool off your whole garage. It's not. This is what you want in your workstation. If you're doing something that requires some airflow, you just don't want to have the heat beating down on you. Maybe you're outside, camping situation, that kind of stuff. Keeps the bugs off. Definitely will do the job of keeping bugs off of food, like on a barbecue setting. That's what you're kind of getting out of this. You're not going to get a full-blown like work or industrial fan out of this, because keep in mind, look at the size. It's not huge. But yeah, overall, really nice fan, especially considering how quiet it is. So you can have a full-blown conversation with someone who's very soft-spoken, even if they're right next to you and the fan's going full blast. So it does the job. I like it. $35 with a $10 coupon, so I get like under $25 with a coupon on Amazon right now. But yeah, very well done, very sleek, very industrial looking. Plastic construction, but that also means it can be very, very light. So brushless fan motor, overall, pretty good little setup here. I like it a lot. So yeah, I'll be using this a lot during the summer, and I hope you do too.